This is Kat with Keep Your Twin Up, and today I wanted to show you an unboxing of my new Pampered Chef quick cooker. I just recently hosted a Pampered Chef party and it was double rewards, and I had a lot of orders. It was very successful, so I was able to get this for free along with all the accessories. And I just wanted to say thank you to my friends and family for all your orders to make this possible. Pull this thing out. Don't mind me this morning, I'm still in my sweatpants. Life of a busy mom. Comes in a cool box. I'm pretty excited about this because I've never actually owned an Instant Pot, but I do a lot of my Instant Pot cooking in an off-brand Bella pressure cooker. So I was excited that I got to update to the Pampered Chef version of the Instant Pot. Some directions, cooking guide. Oh yeah, there's some recipes in here for homemade breads, meals, soups, mashed potatoes, chili, chicken parmesan pasta, chocolate pudding, strawberry cheesecake. I'm pretty excited because with this one, you're able to make cheesecakes and lasagnas and all kinds of things. Okay, so let's see. Pull this out. Really pretty. I love the way it looks. And the way their steam release button is made, it's supposed to be some kind of special safety feature. So I guess when you want to release the pressure, you can push this button to release the pressure instead of having to mess around with the seal valve like in the Instant Pot or my Bella pressure cooker. And it's supposed to be more of a safety feature. Let's see, close and open on there. Comes with a little wrap. Goes inside. Pot. And then I got the one that came with the accessories. So I'm going to pull out the quick cooker spring form pan. So comes with little directions on how to use it and how to clean it. And then the quick cooker ceramic pot also came with the quick cooker and accessories kit. different accessories is what allows you to make like your cheesecakes and your lasagnas and things. Comes with directions and all that. Comes with a neat little stretch silicone lid. So when you're done cooking this, you can just use this for the refrigerator, for storage and whatnot. It's actually pretty cool. And then the last thing that came with this kit is the quick cooker wire cradle. Direction thing. So, like when your stuff is hot, it allows you to pull stuff out like that without burning yourself. It's for the smaller pots. Well, that's pretty cool. So that's the quick cooker. There's a white rice, brown rice, whole grains, chicken and poultry, beef and pork, fish and seafood, soup and stock, beans, stew and chili, and dessert modes. And you can sear, steam, slow cook, and proof. And then warm. And of course, pressure cook. I'm pretty excited to try this out. You'll see this pretty often here coming up in some more of my cooking videos. So in addition to this, I ordered some extra things to go with it. I ordered 2 of the quick cooker silicone rings. So when you're making desserts, you could use separate rings so you don't like mix up all the flavors and stuff that get in these seals of your lid. Right in, switching out this seal. So it comes with one, and then these are just additional ones, so I can use for different uses. It's pretty cool. They're different colors, so that'll make it easy to keep track of which one I'm using for what. And the second extra thing I got was this steam rack, and I'm just gonna rip this thing up. And 1 cup prep bowl sets. So it's the basic Pampered Chef 1 cup prep bowl sets. Comes with your basic white lid, and there's 6 of those nice bowls. And then the stretch fit lid set. So you can use this for storage and whatnot. That's pretty cool. I think you can use it actually in the pressure cooker too for cooking. It has these little steam bits. And it came with little racks. So you can make little individual like custards and puddings, and you can do hard-boiled eggs in these little racks. There's 2 of these. I'll just pull out one. You have to watch me do it all. They're the same thing. So pull this out. Another little direction thing. So this thing will fit. Let's see here how it works. I'm not really sure yet. I haven't used these yet, but I think it goes something like that. Yeah, probably like that, so you can put your lid on. But you can do your hard-boiled eggs in there and your little bowls. And then it comes with, like I said, it came with 2 of those racks. So yeah, that's pretty cool. That is the Pampered Chef Quick Cooker and accessories and the extra accessories that came with it. It's kind of a pricey item, but I think it's going to be a good upgrade from what I have been using, my Bella pressure cooker. So yeah, if you want to find your local consultant and host your own party like I did, I'm sure that you can earn one of these for free as well. Thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Stay tuned for cooking videos.